Good morning. My name is Hae-sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with the labor attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will discuss and explain about the Labor Standards Act, Article 45, which is the emergency payment. So, could you explain firstly about the meaning of this Article 45, please?
Okay. Hello. How are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. Article 45 of Labor Standards Act stipulate emergency payment of wage. So when there is a principle of wage payment, wage should be paid on designated day every month. That is how wage should be paid. But the emergency pay is an exceptional case, just like when employee have the delivery of baby or some kind of injury or some illness. In such a case, also emergency situation like natural disasters, then to overcome such a difficulties or financial shortage, then if they could not borrow the money, then they can ask for company to pay the wage earlier than the payday. So the the period of time they provide the labor service, so those period should be paid, but it will be paid later by law. But this emergency pay is used exceptionally for the case when employee need some urgent money. Yeah. So.
Yes, I can understand that if it's in case of disease or like COVID-19 or very disaster like breakout of a very serious fire, such a like that, or like a war situation, it's emergency situation. But in case of childbirth, I don't know whether it's emergency or not, but as you explained, because of the insurance system has improved in Korea as the days went by. I think this article is rather old-fashioned terms. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. Yeah, this article has been very effectively used before we introduced some social insurances like medical insurance or some child care subsidy from the government. So now they don't need any urgent money to take care of such the child care or child delivery situation or some injured situation. Yeah, but this one still it provides some criteria of the payment. So exceptional application of wage payment. Wage should be paid on designated day, but when employees suffer from such a natural disaster or emergency case, they can justifiably request to the company to pay the wage for the period they provide the labor service. Then employees should pay their wage before the payday. That is this rule. Yeah.
I see. So could you explain some example? Do we have a like particular case where this article can be applicable?
Yeah, just like we can see in natural disaster. Now, I think the day before yesterday, there is one of the biggest earthquake occurred in Japan. So in such a situation, they could not borrow the money from bank because their bank system is out of order. So it was a kind of emergency situation. So to take care of such a situation, they need urgent money. So in that case, they can ask to the company justifiably. So then company should pay wages for the period that they provide the labor services. So this is a kind of criteria of judgment for the case that the employee ask for early payment about wage. Yeah.
I see. Yeah, I can understand that in emergency situation as like earthquake or big fire that nobody had expected before. In such case, this article can be applied.
Yeah.
Do you have any additional
Yes,
comment?
if it doesn't, the case doesn't belong to such an emergency case, company can reject their request for early payment. So this Article 45 it is not used very often, but it can be some criteria of whether they have to pay in advance for the wage or not. Yes, so I think this is still acceptable provision, even though we do not use this this article very much in reality. Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much for your comment.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.